Hello, this is Travis Elliott with National Control Devices, and this video will serve as documentation of the functionality of our Sensor Scout app in accordance with the Sensor Scout modem. This is to show how the app functions with the physical hardware. So what we have here in the middle, this is actually the prototype of the Sensor Scout modem. And this is one of the long-range wireless sensors that we manufacture, which operates at the 900 megahertz wireless frequency. It does use DigiMesh FCC-approved 900 megahertz wireless modules, so everything's legal there. We do also have FCC documentation on the bottom of this device, and the Sensor Scout modem will also have FCC documentation printed to it as well. This is just a prototype. So the way that this works is the Sensor Scout modem acts as an intermediary between the long-range wireless sensors and the Sensor Scout application. So the sensor will transmit over DigiMesh 900 megahertz, which will come into the modem. The modem will convert that information and then transmit that information over to the app via BLE. So it's acting as an intermediary, basically. So I'll go ahead and install the application here, the Sensor Scout app. And then I'll open it up. And then I'm going to push the button on the modem. It's going to start flashing green, letting us know that it's awake and available, or it's BLE advertising. I'll hit scan in the app. It's going to say Sensor Scout would like to use Bluetooth. Bluetooth is required to connect to Sensor Scout modem. Please allow. So we'll click on allow. The modem actually already went back to sleep in that amount of time, so I'm going to wake it up again. And then we'll scan, and we'll see the modem pops up in the application. We'll click on it. We know that we have valid connection to the modem because the LED turns solid green. So now we're streaming information from the Sensor Scout modem to the application. So this is one of our push button sensors. It's just easy to demonstrate, so I'll just push the button here. That's in a 900 megahertz wireless signal over to the modem, and then the modem sent it via BLE to the app. And now we can see the RSSI signal strength from the modem to the sensor, and we have a tile here that we can click on to view more information about that sensor. We've got timestamps here, so I can hit the button again. It updates the timestamp. So every time that I hit the button on the sensor, it's sending a wireless transmission to the modem. The modem is then sending that via BLE over to the application. And that is essentially the functionality of the application. There's a few more things. We're displaying the network ID of the wireless modules in here. That's relevant to DigiMesh. If we hit this beacon start button here, we can actually tell this modem to start beaconing, which means it's sending out a 900 megahertz signal or packet, which we can receive on a second Sensor Scout modem. So I can actually go back to my list of Sensor Scout modems and wake this one up. And then I can click scan, and it shows up on the list, so I can click on it. And now it's actually, this one is going to see this modem, which is listed right here. And this way, these two units can be used for range testing on customer sites. And that is essentially the functionality of the Sensor Scout. I can go back to the other one and tell it to stop beaconing. And now they're both asleep because the LEDs are off. So that's basically it. If there's any other questions, we will be more than happy to answer them. Thank you.